That's not quite the welcome that these MLAs would have bargained for after returning from their foreign trip. My colleague Pratibha Raman also spoke to Professor B.K. Chandrasekhar, former Education and IT Minister in Karnataka. Sorry for that wrong story that was played. Now, news again from Chennai. Is India's judiciary also a playground for caste politics? Well, it would seem so, because a sitting judge of the Madras High Court has questioned the collegium's selection of judges. Advocates in the Madras High Court joined the judge in claiming that some of the 12 judges selected to the Madras High Court got the job not on merit but because of their caste. On Wednesday, sitting judge Justice C.S. Karnan stormed into the court hall where the hearing was on for a PIL against the proposed appointment of new judges. He told the judges hearing the case that the selection was unfair. The bench hearing the PIL ordered maintenance of status quo, restraining the centre from processing the list. Advocates want more transparency in the selection process.
So the unrepresented communities, there are certain communities which has about 40-50 lakhs of people, but not even one person from that community. See, why we say that particular communities must come up in life and all that? Yes, fairness. You find out whether it's fair, whether it's qualified. If there is a qualified hand in another communities, why not to take them instead of dumping with the only one communities?
A long time seeking, our association for a long time seeking transparency in appointment of judges, but it was not followed by the judges. Now the proposed list of 12 names, there's lack of merit, and we have seen some non-practicing advocates have been included in this list.
For decades, selection of judges has been behind the curtains, but many wonder if this should still continue in a democratic setup. Probably for the first time, a sitting judge has joined hands with the advocates seeking transparency in a process that would decide the guardians of justice. With camera person Daniel, this is Priyamvada in Chennai for Headlines Today.